Hello everybody, my name is Teacher Jamie and welcome to Ultimate Dropship Mastermind. Okay, I just want to, this video, just want to share how the whole entire dropship program looks like and what you need to do and what is the expectation. Okay, so basically myself, of course, Coach Dylan and also Wing set up this program, okay, is to help those people who actually do not have a product but want to sell online, okay. And there, I mean 2 months ago we set up this store, okay, to ensure that all these are smooth operate. Okay, so let me share what is the things that you're going to get when you become or when you sign up the Ultimate Dropship Mastermind class. Okay, so first of all, of course this class is 3 hours. Okay, after the 3-hour class, why do you need to attend this class is because even you are a dropshipper, okay, doesn't mean that forever you are a dropshipper. And even you are a dropshipper, we want you to sell as a professional. Okay, that means throughout this 3-hour class, we will teach you how to set up a very professional store. Okay, because nowadays out there are so many competitors. If today you just copy the product and then you just post and then wait for sales, that will not happen. Okay, that will only waste your time because I think nobody will buy. Okay, because why? It's not professional. Okay, because nowadays consumer are looking at brand, consumer are looking more to better customer service. Your product upload skill must be there because must be proper image, must be full description, all this. So within this 3 hour, we're going to tell you how to build this store up, okay, in 3 hours, so that after you attend this class, you know what to do, okay, and then you can sell professionally in LAZADA or SHOPEE, okay, or both, yeah. Okay, so step by step to become our agent dropship. So our agent dropship only open for our student who join the workshop, okay, because we don't want a lot of people, and then maybe we have thousands of we open to thousands of agents, but in the end all these 1,000 agents are not professional, and then after that in the end they will just use our picture, just paste there, and then everywhere scattered with our product listing. So all this we want to avoid. Okay, we only want a proper and serious dropshipper. Okay, so once you are our students, okay, attended the dropship workshop already, okay, and then you will automatically be offered to become our agent dropship. You can also sell your own product. It's okay. You can also sell your own product, no problem. Okay. Now, then you can decide whether you want to sell in LAZADA, SHOPEE, or both. Okay. So, what is dropship? Of course, dropship is to set up your online store, okay, to earn money online without buying and keeping stock. And especially if you have a day job, okay, or you are a full-time mom, you are busy with your kids, okay, then we will do the fulfillment for you as well. You just need to upload your product professionally, okay, do sales, do customer service, and then the others, the rest, the next part, we will do it for you. Okay, so all you need to do, sign up UDM and be our member. Okay, this membership will be lifetime. Okay, and of course those who already sign up and those who already our member, okay, this is just a guideline for you. Okay, the bottom there is a link, okay, for you to access to purchase this workshop. Okay, next, what you need to do, okay, once after finish the class already, okay, the class we will modify it into a online class, okay, online recorded class. So then you can join the class for this 3 hours topic. Okay, we will split it into 30 minutes for every session. Then you can do revision or you can attend the class based on your availability of time. Okay, so once you complete the class already, okay, then you already know how to set up a Lazada and a Shopee account, seller account I'm talking about. So once you set up the account already, we will because for every students that register for the class, we will send them a agent registration form if you decided to sell our product. Okay, then after you fill up the Google form already, then we will give you we will send you a Google file. Okay, the Google file contain all the pictures, means you can use it and there's no watermark on it. Okay, and then of course those who haven't attended the class, then you attend the class first. Then after that, you will be invited to join our FB group. Okay, that is private FB group, and then WhatsApp group also for the support and access to all the product picture as I said just now. Then you can start upload the product to your store and start selling. So once you get the order already, you just need to place the order in Dropship Star Shopee store. Okay, and then the shipping address is your customer address. Okay, so then only we print out the airway bill and directly ship to your customer. Okay, so this is our Dropship Star shop in Shopee. Okay, there will be a few category like home and living, of course the baby category, because I'm from baby category, so there are more baby category products there. Okay, and of course kids fashion, okay, and accessory and things like that. So we will grow the SKU here. We are still looking for more suppliers. Okay, and then whatever we list here, you can sell, and it's already stocked. Okay, it's already stocked. If it's out of stock, we will inform in the WhatsApp group so that you can off the quantity, okay, in your shop. Okay, so this is the Google Drive. Is inside is all the product picture, so you can access it. So next is you can go to our Facebook. This is private group. Okay, so we will have recorded live class inside, so that you can because if we decided to upload in this way because some student they might need a few time to do revision. Okay, so, because sometimes we go too fast, you know, or maybe you cannot catch up. Okay, then you can catch up by your own pace. Okay, and then inside this group you are supported lifetime. Okay, even you know, you have questions, sometimes the members inside or your classmate will help you as well. Okay, then is free class on and off. You know, we will give you free class, and that will be not charging, because we still believe learning is a lifetime process. Okay, you need to get update all the time, all right, and learn all the time, so only you can improve, okay, your selling skill. Okay, and then of course we will update the latest, whatever update is lah, we will put in the group. Okay, the next thing is we also have like a WhatsApp group, okay, to get support. Like sometimes if your new store, you need follower, okay, then you can just, you know, upload there and let more followers to you know, join you. Okay, and then increase your chat rate. Okay, let your classmate chat with you, you know, all this will help your store to grow faster. Okay, and of course if you are a dropshipper, okay, make sure when you do the product listing, okay, you have to off all the Shopee supported logistic. You can only open up the others, okay, and only West Malaysia. We only support and fulfill within West Malaysia. Okay, and I know there are some students here are from Kuching, from Sabah. Okay, all you need to do is temporary. You can sell anything that is belong to you can send to Kuching to Kuching or Sabah to Sabah. But if you want to do this drop shipping, okay, you can only do business in West Malaysia. That means the shipping address you must put in West Malaysia. So your shop, it will locate there in Selangor. Okay, then people from West Malaysia can buy from you, and then you then we can fulfill for you. Okay, and then this is the shipping address. Okay, so you must put the shipping address that is our warehouse address, because we ship all the products from here. Okay, and next, the product description is also given in the in all the description there. Okay, so the measurement, please follow the measurement and also the weight. Okay, so that we don't undercharge the shipping fee. Okay, I mean for the customer. Okay, so this is how we do it. So weight and parcel you must follow as per description in our product listing, and you do your own markup. Okay, your markup must remember include your marketing fee, okay, your service fee charged by SHOPEE or LAZADA, okay, and then your discount, everything. So more or less you can mark up about 15%, okay, to 20%. Don't mark up too much. If too much means you are selling higher than the market price, okay, not competitive. So all you need to do is you just need to do a relevant markup. Okay, that's all. And for those supplier or brand owner, we are welcome you to list your product with us, so that your product will be able to sell by all the dropshipper. Okay, so if you are interested, you can contact me or Wing, no problem. Okay, so that's all for today. So I hope that this short video can let you understand the whole entire process of drop shipping with UDM team. Alright, thank you so much and have a nice day.